Many of you want to use CapCut Pro, but you're broke and don't have a Pro subscription. So in this video, I'm going to show you a trick to export your video without paying for a subscription. Let's get started. First of all, as you can see, I already have CapCut Pro, but to show you this trick properly, let me log out first. After logging out, let's create a project using some Pro features. For this example, I'll add a shape, change its color, and then add some premium animations and effects. Now, as you can see, I can't export this project because I don't have CapCut Pro. So here's what you need to do. First, select all the editing layers by pressing Ctrl+A. Then right-click and select Create Compound Clip, or simply press Alt+G. After that, right-click on the compound clip again and select Pre-Process Compound Clip. Now, let's find the project location. Follow the same location on your computer. In my case, I'll go to C drive, then Users, and Lenovo. Here, you should find the App Data folder. If you can't see it, click on View, then the three dots, and enable Hidden Items. Once the App Data folder appears, go to App Data, then Local, then CapCut, User Data, and Projects. Inside the Projects folder, you'll find a folder called com.lveditor.draft. Click on it, and you will find your project folder. In my case, my project folder is called 08171. Open your project folder and go to Resources, then Combination. Here, you'll find two files. If you try opening the MP4 file directly, it may not play properly because the file is incomplete or encoded. Now, go back to CapCut and close the project. Then, close CapCut completely. After that, open CapCut again and reopen your project. Go back to the same folder and drag that same video file into CapCut. And as you can see, your edited video is now here and ready to play. Now, press V to hide the original compound clip. And that's it. You can now export the video with all your edits. I hope this video was helpful. If you found this trick useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And of course, share this video with your other broke friends too.